The weekly code quiz. What are ARIA landmarks? ARIA landmarks are used to identify major sections and regions of a document, such as letting the user know what is the main content. Screen readers compile these landmarks and allow the user to jump to that region of the web page to help navigation. What are the commonly used values for the ARIA landmark role attribute? The ARIA landmark role attribute can be added to perform this function. Here are some commonly used values for the role attribute. Article, to make an individual or separate content within a main section. Banner, to identify a section with branding information, also known as page heading. Complementary, content that is not directly related to the main content, also known as an aside. Footer, a region at the bottom that typically contains copyright, policies, and contact information. Main, denotes the main or primary content. Navigation, regions that include menus or links. Section, groups together related elements, typically one or more headings, and additional related content. What do you do if there are multiple regions of the same type? When multiple regions of the same type exist, an ARIA label attribute is added to further indicate a title for that region. How is an ARIA landmark defined? The use of an ARIA label with a section element defines it as an ARIA landmark. With HTML5, elements were added that also define commonly used regions. The preference is always to use HTML5 first and then use ARIA for additional clarification if necessary. Header. Nav, ID, main menu, ARIA label, main menu. End nav, main. Section, ID, section 1, ARIA label, first topic, end section. Section, ID, section 2, ARIA label, second topic, end section. Article, ID, article 1, ARIA label, first article, topic, end article. Article, ID, article 2, ARIA label, second article, topic, end article. Aside, ARIA label, key takeaways, end aside. Footer. Nav, ID, footer nav, ARIA label, footer nav, end nav. Prior to HTML5, one would have to do the following. Div, ID equals header, role equals banner, ARIA label equals header. End div. Div, main menu, role navigation, ARIA label main menu, end div. Div, ID main, role main, end div. Div, ID aside, role complementary, ARIA label key takeaways, end div. Div, ID footer, role banner, ARIA label footer, end div. Div, ID footer nav, role navigation, ARIA label footer, end div. If you are viewing an older site that has not been updated to modern standards, you may see legacy code. Presented by Designers Learn Code.